don't really know how to film this video because this box is ginormous, but this is something that I got for free that you can get. I will leave links to everything down below, but basically I think in the Netherlands or somewhere, I'll put it on the screen, the government have this thing where they give expectant parents a box, and it is a really strong cardboard box, and it has a mattress in it, and it has some baby stuff in it, and basically they give you this that you can have your baby sleep in, like a Moses basket, but it's just a really nice strong box. And this is something that the government give to all expectant parents, and I heard about it when I was pregnant with Mika, so like 5 years ago, but it was only available in this country. Not in this country, in the country that I'm talking about. However, since being pregnant this time, I researched it a little bit and found that Lidl do a baby box. And it's the Baby Box company, and they're like in conjunction with Lidl. And you basically, I'll leave all the links, you go on and you sign up, and you can either go and collect it for free from a Lidl, but there wasn't one near me where I could go and get it, or you can pay £8.95 and it gets delivered to your door, which is what I did. It is a big box. So from what I understand, in here should be a box that a baby can sleep in safely, with a mattress and like a sheet. And I know not everyone wants to have a baby sleeping in a box, and that's fine, but some people haven't got a Moses basket, or for whatever reason can't afford to get certain things, and this is just a free thing that you can get. Anybody can get it. It's got nothing to do with me making videos or anything like that. They have no idea that I'm doing a video on this. I literally just signed up for free, paid my £8.95, and the box came, and it came about 2 weeks ago, but I am paranoid as balls, so I didn't want to open it until after I'd had my 12-week scan, which I've had, and baby was all okay. I'm just kind of one of those people, I just didn't want to risk opening a baby thing before I knew the baby was okay. Baby's all good, so this is so cool. So you get this, and it says the Baby Box company. I'll look at that in a second. Let me try and get this box out of here so I can show you. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Oh, look. So it's a really strong box, and in it is a mattress that's got a removable washable sheet on it. That is so cute. Oh, and it's got measurements. It's got like a tape measure along here, so you can see how big your baby is. That is so cute. I'm not sure if we will use it for the baby to sleep in, because I do have a Moses basket, but if I don't use it for the baby to sleep in, I will definitely have it in his or her bedroom to store things in. I just think it's really, really cute. So this is like a waterproof thing, and it's literally just a foam mattress, which is what babies need. That is so cool, and that fits in there really snug, so there's no like where a baby can get their face stuck anywhere. You need to make sure everything's really, really snug. And then you've got this. So in here, and again, this is all within, this is the £8.95 shipping, or you can go and get this for free. If there's one near you where you can go and collect it, you can physically go there with your email and get a box for free. But they just didn't have it. So there's some information bits in here. Let's just have a look. So I've got, what is this? Oh, this is a fitted sheet. So that's the waterproof sheet that goes over that. And then this is a fitted cotton sheet that you can put over it as well. So you can put this, I'm assuming this fits on here. It would make sense for it to, wouldn't it? Yes, it does. Oh my god. So you've got a waterproof sheet, and you've got a cotton sheet. And what else have we got in here? I've got a packet of Lupilu baby wipes. These are newborn wipes, so they're ultra soft and gentle for delicate skin. And then I've got a packet of newborn nappies. That is so cute. 24 nappies, 4 to 11 pounds for newborns, dry for up to 8 hours. That's really, really cute. It's got a wetness indicator, which is a really good thing for tiny babies because they just wee constantly and you don't want to waste a nappy in case they haven't done a wee and all that. So that's really good. So you get that, you get your little bag, and then you've got, here we go, the baby box. Okay, it says here, I'll just read you this information. Congratulations, we know welcoming a new baby is a wildly exciting time and we're thrilled that you've invited us along for the ride. We hope you enjoy your baby box, which provides your child with a safe sleeping space for up to 6 months of age. This means that you can both rest easy and at least one of you will get an amazing sleep. You can go on babybox.com and there's lots of expert advice on there. And then it tells you sort of safe sleeping for your baby, like on their back. Always place, make sure there's no covers or anything. Make sure it's on a flat surface, not elevated, no pillows. And this is a safety approved box. It's not just like a random cardboard box. And then your baby box is designed for safe sleep and peace of mind. Your baby box is completely safe sleep space. It contains all of the items listed below so you can put your baby to rest. Durable cardboard box that meets applicable bassinet safety standards for the US, Canada, EU and the UK. Firm foam mattress that has been independently certified. Fitted sheet made of 100% cotton and waterproof cover to protect the mattress against leaks and spills and accidents. The Baby Box company has tons of free information like paediatricians, lactation specialists and nutritionists. Get helpful advice on postpartum depression, breastfeeding and infant brain development and much more at the Baby Centre at the babyboxcompany.com/parent centre. And you can take pictures now and your baby, because your baby won't fit in the box forever, and you can, oh, they'll send you a free gift if you tag them on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag babybox and you email your picture to the baby@babybox.co.com. we'll send you a free gift. So that is what you get. There's some more little bits here about checking your car before the baby's born. Lidl have teamed up with Baby Box and then you can use their new nappies, and then there is a £5 off your shopping voucher there for Lidl. And then I think this is a high rise thing. I love it, it's so cute. I think that's so nice, and the fact that it's free is brilliant, and that anyone can get it is brilliant. So what is this? Oh, it's like Space Invaders. Don't be a Space Invader, stay back. You can stick it in your car so people don't tailgate you. That's quite smart. So yeah, that is my first kind of baby unboxing, and I think it's really cute. It will be a nice present if you know someone that's expecting. You could get them one of these and then you could fill it with more baby stuff, but just as a one-off, I think it's a really lovely thing. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.